Tapos ito. Seafood. Rice. Ayan. Yan na yung laman yan. Seafood rice, diba? Ayan. Sarap to. Kung anong lasa ng seafood ramen, ito rin, ganito rin yung lasa ng seafood rice. Ayan. Okay. This one. Same taste of seafood ramen. Okay. This is seafood rice. So delicious. My lunch for the day. With sweet potato. Yan ang aking lunch for the day.